Hello everyone, don't mind the aircon, but I am packing for tomorrow. We're going to Jensan, and it's because it's our parents' anniversary. So it's on Sunday. Tomorrow is Saturday, and I'm gonna pack. This is my bag. From Lula ito. So first, I picked a shirt and pants. I'm gonna pack my undergarments. This is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And then, this is a white skirt for the beach. Tapos, I need to pack my toiletries. I'll be back. So, nalagay ko ng toiletries. And, bring some shirts. It's already pants. Just two change. So that's it for my packing vlog. Naghugas ako ng face, but see you tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at 6. Bye. Hey guys, we are the 4 kids. We are the 4 kids of Visionary and Connie. Guys, malapit na kami. We are at Maasim na. Maasim. Ano yung Maasim province? Barangay. Ay, town. Kasamia. We're here. Nagkita kami sa SM Quezon. We're entering the premises.
Oh my god, kachwiti ka mo. Oh my god, you guys. No, maganda picturean. Ganda na. Look, this is aesthetic as well.
Diyan na si Manny Pacquiao, guys. Ang abs niya. Yeah, guys, we're here. Hello, may malaking mirror.
Makayang.
May malaking mirror. May malaking mirror. Yay! We're here, guys. Yes, this is the room. 3 beds, a TV, and a big mirror. Yay! Itong sink. Wow! May kapi. Sli, ang ganda pala dito.
Ano CR?
Itong CR. Wow! Ganda!
May bathtub.
Ha? Meron. Wala gani. Explore na kami sa whole resort. We have settled in. We're going out. White shorts.
Di ba po lagyan niya
Green.
yung choker. Ilagay mo na lang yung sa ulo mo.
Slippers.
Tara na! Tapos na!
We're going. We're here sa souvenir. Ay, store nila. May pabent sila rush guards. We're here at the beach.
May mga tuta dito ko.
Hi! We're going there.
Yan, nalagay din mo.
Kaya ako maraming tao.
Eh, ako na lang mag-vlog, B. Oh, kuhaan eh. Hi, guys!
Let's go there. We're going to the edge. Going to the edge. Para wala lang. Ayun. Everybody, we're currently at the water. Trying to get back to the shore. Tapos kami nag-picture. Hi guys! So we're here.
Uy, magsalita ka naman.
Hi guys.
Ala, wait lang, natabunan na sa lamin ko. Teka lang.
Punta sa...
Hi guys.
Uy,
Hi guys! Si It! Parang hindi YouTuber. Ay, video yun. Tingin na.
Hi guys. We're at dinner with the family. I'm waiting for the food.
Nalagay doon sa place.
Lipay na sa kanay signal. We're back at the beach. Hi guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you for watching. Magbabay ka, Bless. We're gonna go now. Bye. Bye guys.
Ay, sige na, picture sa...